Comparing home values is a great way to determine the fair market price of a property. As realtors, we help our clients determine the fair market value of a home with the use of our knowledge and expertise and the data available to us. Now, having a down payment saved up will help you to prepare to purchase a home if you require a loan. Generally speaking, you'll need approximately 5% or more plus your closing costs that we estimate to be approximately 1.75% of your purchase price for resale homes. Now, to figure out your budget, you'll need to consider your monthly income and expenses as well as the down payment. We help our clients go through a net sheet so they can visualize how much their expenses will be, and as a result, you can budget accordingly. It's a good idea to work with a professional realtor so that they can help you find homes that fit your budget and, more importantly, your needs. If you're planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, call us 905-334-5883. We're here to help.